Hi, I'm Elizabeth McDaniel with LaRue Fine Chocolate, and today we are going to show you how to make a holiday cocktail called the Cranberry Smash. I really like this drink because it's super versatile. We use gin with it, but you can also use vodka if you're not a gin person. Or later on, I'll show you how to do it non-alcoholic. So we start with 1.5 ounces of gin. We're going to take 2 cranberries and a sprig of rosemary. I'm going to go ahead and put my simple syrup in here, and that way I can muddle it. Just muddles a little bit better. So if you don't have a muddler, you can use the like any wooden spoon that you have at your house, and you just want to get that so you're releasing the aromatics. And we're going to put some cranberry juice. It's 1 ounce of cranberry juice, and add in that. Add a little ice. Shake just so we can make it cold. Nice. I like to pre-chill my cubes, and then that way the cocktail is just nice and cold when it comes out. You're going to pour that in there. Gives it a pretty little pink color. And you want to throw a cranberry in and a little sprig of rosemary. And there you go, you have your cranberry rosemary smash.